Let's see the circuit diagram part. This is your IR sensor, and this is your 9 volts water pump, and you need a transistor which has 3 pins. Is emitter, base and collector, EBC. See, this is your 3 terminals of your transistor, and these are the 3 terminals of your IR sensor. These 2 are the terminals of your motor. See, and these 2 are the pins of, this is your 5 volts plus and this is your 5 volts minus supply. Now you will connect the 5 volts VCC to this plus 5 and the negative VCC to the negative one, and connect this output, and see, connect this output to the base of the transistor with a resistor. Okay, now connect to the base of the transistor to the transistor. Then this connect this emitter to the negative of the supply. Means you have to collect this emitter to the negative supply. Now this output of the IR sensor to the base of the transistor. Now to the collector. One of the pin of the motor. See, one pin of the motor you have to give it to the VCC 5 volts. Another one you have to give it to the collector of the transistor. This is the circuit diagram. That's all what you have to do. This is your supply. Once again I am just seeing you. This is your plus and minus of the supply which you are giving. One supply, both the supply will give to the IR sensor. The output of the IR sensor you will give to the base of the transistor, which is the middle terminal of the transistor, through a resistor. You can use any resistor between 270 ohms to 470 ohms. These resistance range is better for that one. And the emitter, the first pin of the transistor to the negative, and the collector, the last pin of the transistor to motor. That's all. The connection is been done.